Okay, so evidently my video cut off. It cut off on me. I'm still talking. I didn't know it cut off at 5:32. I guess I'm taking too long. So anyway, the cabin air filter is back here. It's back here. I'm really pissed off about it actually. The cabin air filter is back here. Okay, if y'all can see that. All right. I'm not gonna go over everything that I just said again, but I'm just gonna say this, if I didn't already say it, because I don't remember if I said it in the other video or not, because I just discovered that the video cut off. Basically, Infinity, y'all wrong. You know what I'm saying? Some people can afford to do these things. Other people try to save money. Other people can't really afford to do these things. And you make it, and Infinity not the only one. There's a lot of car companies, making these vehicles and placing things in places where it's hard to get to yourself and do it yourself. They're forcing you to come in and spend money, or likely trying to force you to come in and spend money. But yeah, I just wanted to put up a video and let y'all know, hey, you know what I'm saying? Because there was a lot of videos, and I appreciate, the people who were just putting it out there, hey, it's going to be hard to do. But it wasn't, it was helpful, but then it wasn't. All I'm basically, I just want to put people on game. I didn't do a DIY because it was my first time doing it, and I didn't have my camera set up to record. But this is basically me just putting you on, letting you know, hey, if you, ever in a situation you got to change your cabin air filter, then you're gonna have to go through some. You got to reach all back in and everything like this, and you know how big a cabin air. I mean, just air filter in general. That's hard. It's hard to get out of, get out. And I'm pretty sure had I not taken this down, it was gonna be hard to get back in. But anyway, yeah, I just wanted to show y'all. Hey, I'm doing different stuff. I'm not gonna be on YouTube like that. You know, I ain't really gonna be on like that. But different content. I do stuff when the mood's straight, and I just want to kind of put this out there for anybody that this, could help. But anyway, man, it's your boy Mario Adwater. Y'all be cool. Y'all hold it down. I'm finna go ahead and put stuff back in place, you know what I'm saying, so I can get on back in this house and enjoy the rest of my Saturday evening. Anyway, man, y'all be cool, man. I'm out.